Hey guys, Matt here again for udesly.com. We have an exciting new product launch, which is a completely customizable Webflow Instagram feed. It allows you to completely customize every element as well, including icons and style, to match the brand of your website. So if I just preview this here, you can see we pulled in all of the latest Instagram posts from our Udesly Instagram, and we can load more there, and we are then also drop down the page to more, and we could keep loading more if we wanted to. But let's say if I wanted to click on this one here, and we are taken to a new tab so the user isn't redirected away from your website, and they can go ahead and like and comment like they would do normally. So let's go ahead and clone this onto our Webflow project, and then do the usual Webflow clone there and create your project. Once you're inside the Webflow designer, you are greeted with your post template. And as you can see, we can customize every bit of elements. Just make sure when you do that, you don't put elements outside of the post list item. So the first two things you need to do to set this up is paste in the code inside of your settings. So simply go to your page settings where you want your Instagram feed, scroll down to the before body tag and paste in the script code there that the Udesly provide. And then what you need to do is select on your Instagram feed wrapper there, which is the very parent of it all, and you'll see two custom attributes in the div block settings. We have our Instagram feed API ID, and we have the amount that we want to show per line. But to get your Instagram feed API, what you need to do is simply jump over to the pixelunion.net Instagram page, which can be found in the documentation provided. Simply go over to that and get an access code there, and then when you have generated the API token, you can simply edit this attribute there and replace the value with your own there, like so. And then there you go, you can simply hit publish, and then there we go, we are on our page and we can load more there. That's a quick setup guide of how you can get started with the Instagram tool. But what I'm going to show you now is how you can customize some of the settings and configure it to be a bit more custom for your website. So what we can go ahead and do is replace this icon here and replace this one here as well. And then maybe I want this to be a little bit beefy, so I'm going to change the font to Montserrat and make it bold there as well. And I'm going to do the same for this one as well, like so. Now if I want to edit the number tags that are shown, so for example if I've got 16 tags on my Instagram post but I only want to show 3, I can simply select on the tag there and then go to the parent div, which is the tag text block there, and then I can go ahead and change this limit to 3 or 2, so I'm just going to change that to 2. And if I want to change the weight, the size of my image, I can also go ahead and do that, so maybe I want it to be 200 high if I'm posting widescreen stuff. Maybe I want my load more button to be blue instead of black, so I can go ahead and do that, publish my changes, and then simply refresh my page. As you can see, my icon has come across, the bold text, and my hashtag limit has also been pulled across as well. So you've got great customizable features for this new tool. If you do want to create the Instagram feed from scratch using your own design freedom, you could go ahead and do that following the documentation provided in PDF format. However, I do recommend you go ahead and utilize the starter template that's already been made for you and customize off the back of that. Anyway, I hope you got all the best from this video tutorial. If you want to join our official Facebook community for udesly.com, the link is in the video description. I do try my best to help as many people as possible on there, and it is also nice to have a bit of inspiration as well. Anyway, my name has been Matt, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.